I've Lost My Cat by Philippe Beha, translated by Julia Beck. I've lost my cat. Yellow, very round, really cute, white, black. Oh no, I've lost my cat. He's round, he's cute, he's yellow, black, and white. His name is Grayling, and he's nowhere in sight. I've found your cat, all yellow, black, and white. He was lost and crying in fright. That's not my cat. That's a leopard. But thanks, he can stay in my backyard. Here's your cat, all round and cute. He was wandering around and about. That's not my cat, that's a pig. But thanks, he can stay in my house. I've brought your cat, all gray and round. He was sleeping on the balcony. That's not my cat, that's an elephant, but thanks, he can stay with me. I've caught your cat, all yellow and black. He was hopping on the sidewalk. That's not my cat, that's a canary. But thanks, I've got a place where he can sing and squawk. As soon as I called, Grayling, your cat followed me all the way home. That's not my cat, that's a sheep. But thanks, I've got a place where he can roam. I've brought back your cat, all white and black. He was waddling about. That's not my cat, that's a penguin. But thanks, I'll find him a place to hang out. I've caught your cat, all round, yellow and black. He wasn't far. That's not my cat, that's a fish, but thanks. He can swim in my pickle jar. Then today I saw a yellow dog, a white mouse, a yellow, black, and white beetle, and a black hen. I was also given a round gray hat and a yellow watermelon. After that, everything that was not my cat went to sleep without a peep. But I sat up in bed with worries in my head. Where was Grayling? Suddenly, from the top of my cupboard, a stirring. It was Grayling purring, and in one giant bound, he landed on my bed and was found. I found my cat, so round, so cute, so yellow, black, and white. Now, my friends, it's time to sleep. Good night.